Right, today I've settled for the back of the wind. I fancy this swim for quite a while. It's got absolutely bucket loads of features you can possibly imagine. A little bay around there. Little bay around there. It's the point of the island there. You've got open water. There's a tree line over there. Don't really know. The choice is amazing of what you've got to actually choose from. That bay actually goes right back round there. Now, at the moment, what I've got one out there off the edge of that bush. I've seen fish topping up along that tree line along there. So hopefully they'll move along and come round onto my bait there as they go into the bay. Whereas I've heard fish in the bay already. Have the opposite effect on the way out the bay. The other rod is over around this point there as it comes round. Same sort of thing, interception route in and out the bay. Did fancy that far margin over there. Excuse the wobbling, I stepped over my land in it. So I did fancy that far margin over there. But what worries me is these fish are extremely wild and crazy when they take. And I was going to put it in there, and I think if I get a take from there, you just cut round and go back. I lose it round the back, because the water actually goes right round the back there of the tree, so it'll actually disappear. So, but absolutely gorgeous evening. Yeah, the fish I've seen have been way along that tree line over there. There's going to be a swim around there sometime. It'll be quite interesting. But other than that, no, we're fine. We'll all set up. Rum's out. Ready to go. Let's see how we get on. Rods are, well, literally on top of me. Haven't got far to go. You just have to see, really. Nicely back of the wind. It's just a bit of a change from what I've done before, and I've not seen the fish, so just to see how we get on, really. But looking as beautiful as ever. The options are ridiculous. Wow, looking absolutely gorgeous. Swifts are charging around everywhere. Absolutely beautiful. A few fishy movements. Got fish is topping out way out by the island. Nice flat calm now. Looking very nice indeed. Have to see what comes along. Don't you just love it? Isn't this just why we go fishing? Maybe to catch fish, but just to sit and look. See what other people never see. Just take it all in and relax and chill. Wonderful. Makes you forget about the hard day's work you've just done.